How to make a balloon dog. Firstly, please inflate the long balloon. And we need to leave about 8 fingers apart. Now we tie the knot and be sure to fasten the mouth of the balloon. And then pinch it and tie it up. And reserve a distance of 3 fingers and twist out the dog's mouth. And hold the balloon with your fingers to prevent it from loosening. Now start twisting the dog's head and twist out 2 bubbles of equal length. Then squeeze them together. Wow! Now the dog's head is ready. Then twist out a small ball. And we need to estimate a dog foreleg length. Then start twisting the balloon. Keep the dog's legs the same length. Twist and twist. So now the first half is twisted. Then we need to twist out the dog's body. And we need to estimate the length of the hind legs and tails of the dog. Keep twisting. The 2 hind legs should be the same length. Now satisfied. So adjustment in progress. And we twist out the dog's tail. Finally, we need to pinch it and adjust it. So now we got a yellow balloon dog.